Back in the shop again. At this time, like I told you guys last time, I think we're gonna try and tackle this front end kit. So I just got a front end kit. I'm not gonna lie to you, nothing special, just off Amazon. This is it laid out here. Similar deal, I have a video where I put one on the Dodge. So far so good with that one. We're gonna do one now for the Chevy. We're gonna do everything, hopefully, that's the plan anyways, to get all of this, rip this off, those off, and then these two after talking with Mike. I think that's the game plan. And then he also said that the, what'd you call it, the alignment pins up top for the top control arm?
The camber.
No, the camber adjustment is 180 out. I think whenever this project kind of started, the guys who took this off, they probably just put it back in there to get it on a trailer. So we got to fix that. But yeah, that's where we're at today, just some more mechanical stuff. So let's just snap into us ripping this off.
You're all I have, you're all I know. I'll shut my eyes and hold you close. You're all I've needed. I never want to see the end.
Okay, so I had originally bought these drop spindles and then I turned around and then sold them to Mike. Well, now I'm buying them back and we essentially already got that front end kit done. And so I tried doing this update a minute ago, but me being the unprofessional person I am, the battery died. So I wanted to pick up, we still got this drop spindles, 2-inch drop spindle for 1-inch brakes for this truck to put on this side. Here, this one is done. We've already pulled the factory spindle out and installed this one. So along with the front end kit that we've done today, we're also installing, again, 2-inch drop spindles. This side is done, bearings in, grease, cotter pin. It's, other than the brake being put back on, it's ready to go. But I wanna make sure I got that update. Again, I tried doing this a minute ago, but forgot to charge 3 batteries, not a single one ready to go. So anyway, we're gonna do this one and I'll see you at that point. All right, so there's the front end done. We got that part done. So now I'm gonna go ahead, or I say Mike's back there. We're still on shop air. So we're gonna go ahead and dump the ball valves or release the ball valves, dump the air and see what this looks like now with the 2-inch spindles. Go ahead. Watch your piggies, Bubba. Yeah, that's 100% exhaust keeping that now. You can see the frame in there hovering.
Yes, sir.
But we got a lot more tuck going on in there. So, sorry, let me get over here where y'all can probably hear me a little better. That, now you can see it way better there. Look at that compared to last week. But the front end is done. We got the new spindles put on. So, huge shout out. Thank you, Mike, for that. We still got to figure out the finances on that. So, but spindles are on. Whole new front end, essentially. Shout out to Amazon coming in clutch there. And I'd say let's just dive into now the rest of the mechanical repairs or whatever we're doing next. We have something brewing up. That something has happened, and I'm gonna end the video with it right here. I'm not gonna say drum roll or anything. I'm gonna turn the light on because it's kind of dark.